Cookie Students Organization Cycle Block na sinnaduna Cycle Block gi HSLC amasung HSC Examination 2026 gi makhada Successful Students singidamak Career Guidance kam Felicitation Program pangthokre. Thoram aduda thoram gi mapu MLA Kimneu Hangsingna Young Achievers singbu congratulate tokhi. Loinana asigumba program puthokpa Cookie Students Organization Cycle Block so appreciate tokhi. Mahakna hai community gi damak impactful program asigumna students singbu empower amasung responsible citizen ama oihangani hai. Assam Rifles gi mityang makhada Longa Koiring Village da Village Sanitation and Awareness Campaign pangthokre. Thoram aduda security personnel tara muk yauna 26 villagers singna thoram gi saruk ama oina public spaces, pathways amasung drainage channels clean up tokhi. Mahakna miyamda hygiene, waste management amasung disease prevention gi matangda awareness supikhi. Kangpokpi Forest Department ki mityang makhada numit mari June 9 digi 12 phauba capacity building training program gi thoram pangthokhi. Autonomous District Council gi conference hall da chathariba thoram aduda district ki makhada maheroi chahi 18 years and above na participate tori. Thoram aduda training gi saruk ama oina photography and videography amasung ecotourism and hospitality management gi matangda resource person hautin kai haukip amasung Samuel haukip na wahai thamki. Loisimbegi thoram aduda participants singda certificates yinthokhi. IEC campaign Jan Bhagidari Sabse Dur Sabse Pehle gi thoram loisinkhre. Hapta ama chatharakpa thoram aduda khun 60 henna participate tokhi. Loisimbegi thoram aduda Deputy Commissioner Sri Mahesh Chaudhary IAS na press briefing pikhi. Mahakna participating villagers amasung staff singbu thamoi singna appreciate tokhi. Makhatana week-long IEC campaign gi achievements amasung outcomes su phongdokhi. Kangpokpi Jila manungda District Administration Kangpokpi na sinnaduna numit ahum June 17 digi June 19 phau chatharakpa Jan Kalyan Sivir Public Welfare Camps gi thoram loisinkhre. Jan Kalyan Sivir Jila manungda mafam tarada chatharakpa thoram asina mapan subdivision cover tokhi. People Welfare Camp numit humni chatharakpa thoram aduna district asigi tongan ba department gi stall hangduna district asigi miyamda central sponsor scheme sing miyamda phanghannaba hotnari 20,000 muk miyamna laktuna stall sing gi mamangda queue leptuna magi mari leinaba che chang sing thajinnari amasung layengbagi khudong chawasu lokhatli. Special Intensive Revision SIR door-to-door enumeration gi thoram Kangpokpi Jila dasu pangthokre. Kalapahar village da hokhiba Special Intensive Revision house-to-house drive asida 176 booth level officers singna Saikul Kangpokpi amasung Saitu Assembly Constituency makhada 110,290 electors singi household cover tawgani. Kangpokpi Forest Division gi mityang makhada World Environment Day 2026 gi palan thoram Compassion Children Home Damday da pangthokre. Inspired by nature for climate for our future haiba hiramda pangthokhiba chahi asigi World Environment Day gi thoram aduda Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chaudhary amasung IFS Chimpilthing kipgena wahai khara thamki. Pangthokhiba thoram aduda Environment Day gi saruk ama oina tree plantation program su chathari. Thado Linguistic Forum na sinnaduna Meritorious Award Ceremony 2026 gi thoram Baptist English High School Motbungda pangthokre. Mahakna class 10 amasung class 12 gi Kangpokpi Jila gi Thado subject top scorer singbu certificate amasung cash prize yinthokhi. Thoram aduda Chief Guest Chin Khulhing kipgen na student singidamak encouragement speech gi wahai khara thamli. Thoram gi Minister Dr. S. Singsit na blessing prayers toraba matung thoram loisinkhre.